He's Michael Irvin, the Hall of Famer, NFL Network analyst. The quarterback that you would want to have in the playoffs right now is who?
Why should I not have Dallas quarterback?
Well, you can take Dak Prescott. You can take Dak Prescott.
I was just wondering. I mean, I thought you should just given me him with what this man just did now, and from his time in the league, no one has more fourth quarter comeback wins than Dak Prescott, and he did it again in the wild card weekend. It is incredible how people talk about Dallas should not be thinking about paying Dak Prescott. I don't know what it is. It gives me a headache when I hear it sometimes. And as tough as it is to find great young talent, we're finding great young talent, and we're putting pressure on these young guys. We got a lot of young guys in the playoffs. We expect them to play very well. It used to be they had 3 or 4 years before we expected this kind of performance out of them, and Dak Prescott has withstood all of that in 2 of his 3 years, been in the playoffs and missed the playoffs by 1 game after missing Zeke for 6 games. Yes, sir, I will take Dak Prescott over all of them.
Over Andrew Luck.
I love Andrew Luck. By the way, okay. Hey, young quarterback. When I say young quarterback, I'm talking about 3 years or younger.
No. I'm saying you can have any quarterback right now in the playoffs.
You said you can have any young quarterback.
No, any quarterback in the playoffs.
Don't try to mess with me like that, man.
I'm going to rephrase it then.
I say this, dude. I love watching Andrew Luck now, and I'm happy for him because look, Andrew Luck can shut us up a lot. Nobody's been talking about Andrew Luck, man.
I know.
And if he comes back and after last week's game winning, come back now and knock off Patrick Mahomes after knocking off Deshaun Watson, Andrew Luck has said, I'm tired of everybody talking about all of these so-called future faces of the NFL.
Okay, you would take Dak Prescott over Patrick Mahomes?
I would take Dak Prescott. I like Dak Prescott. I like Patrick Mahomes, too. They're all young quarterbacks. Now, see, when you're talking about that, you got to also look at the system that those guys are in. Do I think Dak Prescott can be doing what Patrick Mahomes is doing in Andy Reid's system? Because Andy Reid is just a pure genius, man. I told him that last week when I saw him. Just a pure genius. Yes, I do. I do believe that, and I do.
Okay, but why wouldn't Dallas have that system then if you think that Dak Prescott can put up those kind of numbers? Why are they holding him back?
That's not the system that Dallas runs. Dallas runs a more timing system that they're trying to change into a more system-oriented offense. It doesn't work like that.
He's Michael Irvin, the playmaker, joining us. Antonio Brown.
Tell me why won't Tom Brady take that system? Since Patrick Mahomes putting up those kind of numbers. See what I'm saying, Dan? It doesn't work like that. Tom Brady has his system. That's what
but Brady's been doing it. Brady puts up big numbers.
Oh, come on, man. Not like this young man has put up right now. He has put up a 5,000-yard season. He has put up 50 touchdown season. But we're talking about this kid doing it in his first year of starting.
Yeah, but you wouldn't change the system.
We're looking at what we hope is the bottom of this kid's numbers as opposed to it being the top and what it was with Tom Brady.
Yeah, but, Brady's been in this system forever. It's his system. They're not going to change that. I'm talking about Dak Prescott's been in Dallas for 3 years, and if he's got that kind of talent, then why are you holding him back? Why doesn't he get to throw it 40 times?
The Cowboys have been in this system forever, and they won 3 Super Bowls in this same system. So why should they change it? And
they should change because they haven't had any playoff success, Mike.
At the end of the day, statistics don't win championships. Champions win championships, and good football win championships. Don't get caught up in stats. Let's get caught up in winning. And Patrick Mahomes and the Chiefs, they haven't done anything in the playoffs, and you're dancing about the numbers and the statistics, and they haven't done anything in the playoffs either. So it doesn't matter how many numbers you put up if you don't win this time of the year. Say la vie, holler at you, go home, be with your peeps, be with your fam. We'll see you when you're watching.
Are you sweating right now?
No, not at all, buddy.
Yeah, you are.
No, not at all. Not at all. I will be sweating.
You're in a lather. You're in a lather.
Yeah, Saturday I will be.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune to Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV or download the Dan Patrick Show app.